Want a cleaner look in your Brave browser without extra buttons getting in the way? In this video, I'll show you how to completely hide the Home button, and you can turn it back on anytime if you change your mind. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click on the three-line menu icon. From the menu that opens, scroll all the way down and select Settings. This will open a new Settings page in a separate tab. Now, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on Appearance. This section controls how Brave looks and behaves visually. On the right side, scroll until you reach the toolbar area. Here, you'll see an option labeled Show Home Button. If the Home button is currently visible in your browser, this toggle will be turned on. To hide it, simply click the toggle to turn it off. And just like that, the Home button disappears from the toolbar. If you ever want it back, you can return to the same menu and turn the toggle on again. You can also customize what the Home button opens. But disabling it entirely is perfect if you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free layout. And that's all it takes to hide the Home button in Brave. If this guide helped you out, feel free to leave a like. It really helps. Subscribe for more quick and easy browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.